guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy if you're new here, and as I've said in my last video, I'm not sure which ones are going to go up first, but I am sick, so I am makeupless. I just did my Ipsy bag, so I've got all these beautiful swatches here. But today I was going to share a review with you on some Silk Off Gel Polish. It's by Y&S. I got it on Amazon. It's a really neat set, and the bottles are so pretty. I wanted to keep them in this packaging until after I filmed to tell you guys all about this stuff because I really like it. I think the packaging, the bottles themselves are gorgeous, and they're going to go up on my shelf. But that being said, Amazon has some really great products, and I thought this was really cool. I'm wearing one of the colors today. They do not have names, so they're all numbered. Oh, this is really cute. I love this like metallic green instruction pamphlet they put in here. And then on the back of the box it says, Dear Nail Art Lover. Man, I'm just struggling today. The raw material of your gel nail polish are delivered from natural resins, which are non-toxic, odorless, and environmentally friendly. And then it just tells you how to put it on. You gently buffer your nail surface so that it's not a shiny and smooth surface. Apply your base coat, and then cure that with your lamp. Apply your first, second, and or third coat as needed. Apply your top coat, cure, and then use whatever you prefer for a wipe off. I use rubbing alcohol. It works fabulously. But that's what that looks like there. And these bottles, I just want to say, aren't they gorgeous? Now this one is 061. I think this might be this is more of a hot pink. And then 009 is a rosy pink. Um, 097. And this is the one that I am wearing today, and this is a nice creamy pink. I'm sorry, I can't breathe through my nose, guys. I am so sorry that I sound so horrible. We have been playing past the gunk around my house. We've had, I don't know, flu, cold, sinus infection stuff. But then the final color here is 060. Oh, this is the hot pink. The other one was more of a rosy pink, but these are super pretty. They last really well. I do have a UV lamp that I use, or not a UV, mine's an LED, but and mine only goes 30 seconds, so sometimes I have to put my hand back in because it's just auto on and off to get everything completely dry. But that being said, I mean, come on. Let's see if I can get you a good close up of that. Look at, isn't that pretty? I mean, I think that is just so pretty. Nice attention to detail. The numbers up here, they even have like a holographic going on. I think it's really pretty, and they're really nice. I mean, they go on smooth. I don't have any problems with them. If I can find the link, I'll put it down below for them if you guys are interested. I think they were like $9. It wasn't very expensive for the set of 4. And they're great. I think they're great, and I know this company has some other colors, and I do plan on ordering some other colors more than just pinks. I'd like to have some blues and greens as well. But I just wanted to share that with you guys so you know about them. I think they're awesome. So that's all I've got for you guys today. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave any comments down below, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.